All right, so here's a look at all these packing cubes that we got. My favorite one so far, just right off of taking a look at them, is this one, because you're actually able to put your dirty clothes away and you can roll it up like this and snap it together. So we could push that in, and now you can see none of the stinky clothes smell is gonna come out. Normally we just bring like a plastic bag with us, like a grocery store bag, and close it, but I feel like that's not good enough. It's really gonna, you know, make your clothes stink. So we don't want that, but I do like the fact that this actually rolls up. It's almost like one of those water safe bags that you use when you go out into the ocean. You roll it up and it really packs everything nice and tight in there. So this is awesome for your dirty laundry. We've got another one here. I think this one is going to be perfect for shoes. Now, there's no rhyme or reason to any of these. You can kind of do whatever it is you want with these, but you can see even just a pair of slippers, we probably could fit maybe like 3 pairs of flip-flops or slippers in there. We could also do some regular shoes. So you can see these are pretty big running shoes. Let's see if these will actually fit in there. I'll put the first one in. I'm gonna slide it to the side. And we might need to do this sideways. So let's go ahead and adjust it a little bit here. So I'm gonna put this one to the side, and then I'm gonna put this one in the opposite direction. And there we go. So this one's gonna be perfect for shoes. I like the fact that it also comes with this little hook as well. So you can maybe have a couple of carabiners with you in your bag, or you can find a little spot in your hotel to just hook this up. And that way it's nice and easy. You can just grab stuff out just like that. Now we've got this one here. This one looks like it could be more of like a cosmetics bag, or just smaller things like maybe a couple pairs of socks or underwears. Then we start to get to the larger ones. So you can see this one right here. It's got 2 zippers on it. So the first one is going to expand it. So let's go ahead and expand this one first, and then I'll show you how big it gets once we open it up. So if I open up on the inside now, you can see this is about the length of it. So this would be perfect for something like shorts, shirts, maybe even like a light hoodie or a long sleeve or something like that. It looks like it's almost about the shape of a small backpack. And this one also is gonna have a loop on it as well, making it nice and easy for you to just grab this out of your luggage, hang it up somewhere, and then you can kind of unzip and grab things out of it. All right, we've got another one kind of similar to the one that we just went through, but let's open this one and see the thickness of it. So again, about the same thickness. These two might be the same size. Again, this is great for more shirts, more shorts, pants, anything like that. This one is going to be a little bit smaller. Let's open it up and see the thickness of it. So that is the thickness of it. I probably would use this one for like socks and underwear. And then down here at the bottom, we've got this final one, which is going to be a smaller size. And they've got little smaller ones too. So maybe if you have kids going with you and you're just doing kind of like a day trip, it's great because you could also fit really small clothes in something like this. Or if you wanted to, you could also just use this for other personal items. Like I said, you can put maybe like hairbrushes, toothbrushes. If you want to bring your own pillow sheets with you, no matter what it is, you can fit it in pretty much any of these and kind of organize it how you want it to be. So you've got a lot of options. You've got a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 total bags that come with this set. So if you're looking for a really good set of packing cubes, I would definitely recommend picking up a couple sets of these. I think they also have a couple other colors as well. We went with the green and the orange, and I think these look great. So if you're looking for a really good set of packing cubes, go ahead and pick these up.